Hello, this is Thomas Kemkis. I'm going to make a video record of my experience on the Black Rock City Scenic Railway.
Hey, there's a drone at your party.
All right.
Excellent.
Here we go.
Sure.
I'm ready whenever you are, boss.
All right, track clear down there. All right, here we go.
Oh yeah! Oh my goodness! Yeah! Whoa! Okay. Wow! I experienced that through my phone. All right. I had a good time.